Whew, alright. Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Ashley. Let's back another video. And before we get started, if you have not seen the recent review that I did for this lovely shampoo and conditioner set, something very special about this set is my recent review. And you can also check it on my Damage Review playlist. I have reviewed pretty much some of the essentials that I buy, from shampoos and conditioner sets to products under $10, gaming controllers, and hair products, and of course hair. If you want to see reviews like that, please click on the first link in the description. That is every single review I did, from the first review I've done to the current one, which is of course the Biotin hair loss shampoo and conditioner set. But that's not why I'm here today to talk about the conditioners, to talk about that hair set. I want to talk about, this is going to be difficult. I want to talk about me. If you noticed, I look a bit different. I'm not what you think it is. It's not like, I'm terminally ill or anything. But I was sick for a little while. I had stomach and flank pain. If you don't know what flank pain is mostly on these left and right sides of towards your pelvic area, and that signals it mostly around to your kidneys. And stomach pain, of course, if you know stomach pains, then you don't need a further explanation on that. The reason why I'm talking and discussing this is because I did a wish haul, the part 3 wish haul for the headphones, and I talked a little bit about it. Once again, if you have not seen a review for these headphones, please go ahead and check out that first link in the description. It is also in there. I talked about it a little bit as to why I was not making videos and things like that. And I actually talked about it on my main channel, which is depressedcomposition. What was happening with me is, it's just not too simple. I don't know, simple enough. I actually had to go to the emergency room for stomach pain and as well as flank pain, which is what I explained previously. And it was upsetting me for a while, right around the time of August and things of that nature. And I have been dealing with this, towards the end of August. I'll be getting these huge stomach pains out of nowhere, pain around my sides, and it was bothersome to me up until September 5th, where I had to go to the emergency room. So I went to the emergency room and I got random tests done. They checked, my stomach, and they checked it. They literally checked everything they needed to check. They did blood work. Everything came out fine until my CT scan came, and it was determined that I may have had at that time appendicitis. Appendicitis is mostly involving your appendix, of course, and if not taken care of or untreated, it could end up very badly for me. So I had to be hospitalized for 2 days, and I was NPO at the time, which means I couldn't have anything by mouth that involves food. I only had clear fluids, and I had antibiotics running through my system from within that 2-day time period. And it was a struggle. It was definitely a struggle. I really wanted to leave the hospital at that point, but I hanged in there. I did my 2 days, and they actually ruled it out. I ruled out appendicitis, and they actually discussed with me, because of what I'm going through as a woman, it can mimic those types of symptoms, especially when it's known as within that lower stomach area. I also dealt with some other issues, but those were already, dealt with the antibiotics. So that's pretty much the reason why I didn't do that many videos. I was supposed to do a video on Saturday about something that involved doing more reviews, and getting your feedback as to which reviews I could do for you guys. But that didn't happen because, of course, I went to the emergency room. And I was going to record my time there, but I felt like at that point in time, for those who have anxieties about hospitals and all that particular type of stuff, that could be triggers, especially when, you're hooked up to machines and you're getting, needles, you're getting poked and prodded. I don't want to have that trigger anyone who was watching those videos, who are watching my videos. I don't want that to trigger anybody or to give anybody any bad flashbacks. So that is why I did not record my time in the hospital on either channel. I wanted to record on my main channel, which is Depressed Composition, but that video, I tried to explain it, but I was so unfortunately drugged out from the pain medication, the antibiotics, the Prozac they were giving me that twice a day that was in there. From being, so out of it, I was not accepting the fact that I was going to record this video, and it just wasn't the right time. So I waited until after I was finished my antibiotics, after I was finished with pretty much everything. I pretty much waited until it was time for me. It was time for me to feel better. It was, my point in time to feel better. So right now, at this point in time, I am, I have my days where I want to take on the world and I want to challenge you hand by hand. I'm going to give you the reviews I want. I want to give you, DIY stuff, which I planned on doing a couple of times before, but I just couldn't do it because I was just not feeling it. But there were days that I did not want to get out of bed. There were not days where I didn't want to do anything, and which pretty much most of the time, which is why I haven't been consistent with the videos. But now I feel pretty good. I actually am no longer having those weird stomach pains. It's a few cramps now and then, but that does deal with my my menstrual cycle, and I dread having my menstrual cycles sometimes because of the heavy bleeding that I go through. But I'm not going to get into too much of that. But there will be some reviews coming. I got some stuff coming in from Amazon. I was supposed to do a review for Amazon. I had some coming in from Amazon, but I ended up not doing it. But I got something else coming from Amazon in November. And I got something else coming from Wish as well. So you'll get another Wish haul when the time comes. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share the video, whatever you check cool stuff. Click the notification bell. We know if I have all my videos. Once again, if you have not seen a review for the shampoo and conditioner set along with the, come on, I was prepared. Wait, is it behind me? Shoot. Okay, I found it. If you have not seen the review for these two items here, along with other items that I reviewed in the past, there is a link in the description that will show you to my review playlist. I have done those reviews already, and they're already have been edited, uploaded, and already on my channel. Even when I didn't have editing software, I already did, the earlier days when I did editing and all that stuff. I'm sorry if I sound shaky. I'm going to take a moment real quick. Okay. So I'm going to see you guys in another video.